the pulse that we have here, about 52 pulses. The human first pulse is not very good for women, because the egg is a big cells, very big. And the sperm, so when man ejaculation is more than 50 million, 100 million to 200 million. So when the man ejaculation boom in, so the first ejaculation, the acid kill them. It can kill more than half of the sperm. So the sperm behind step on the dead body. The sperm that not die is step on the dead body, so they don't get the acid. So, and the vagina makes so many traps, all kinds of crazy trap. So I watched the movie, I said, oh my God, it's 50 million to 100 million nearly all die because they're trapped, they cannot go on, they get lost and all kinds of things. And finally, one or two or three or five, or a few of them reach the egg. And the one that still have potential power running so fast, and it's so fast because you have to run so fast, It runs so fast and boom, hit into the egg. And when it go in, the first thing, because the way that the sperm can run, because the tail vibrating. So when it hit, boom, so fast, the tail lost. We lost the tail. And because the running so fast and hitting, the egg have a very slow pulse, slow gene pulse, very slow. Sperm coming in, if running so fast, hitting, boom, and hit the pulse of the egg to the other side. And boom, the sperm take over and pulse. That is beginning the pulse. And this pulse is beginning the whole life. So the pulse is the sperm pulse, but lose the tail and the pulse. When it's pulse and it's split, when it's split, become the middle of the body, and the other pulse on the other end, there is the crown pulse, and the other pulse is in here, a perineum pulse. But the sperm are pulsing on the original pulse, and that is the first pulse. Okay, so we have pulse from the beginning, and when we split the cell, every cell have a pulse, very steady pulse. This pulse happen, and we split more and split more, and we have heart. The fetus started to have pulsing 4 weeks. So before 4 weeks, if there's no pulse, we don't live here. So that is the first life is the pulse. The first life is the pulse. And later on, it combined with the heart started to pulse. So we believe that North Star, and actually beside the North Star have big pulse star. Is the North Star pick up the other pulse star and become pulse, or the North Star pick up the pulse here, the solar system, the Polaris, okay, and you have a very, very pulse star planetary system. It's very strong pulse. So we don't know that this pulse affecting the North Star pulse, but the North Star pulse affecting the Earth pulse and affecting our pulsing and the heart pulse. So hold the pulse. This is the original pulse. So when you activate the Dantian and you feel the original pulse pulsing, boom, boom, boom. From original pulse, the next thing what we pulse is the kidney pulse. Right here, original pulse here. So you have two kidney, and this is what you know, testicle. Testicle and ovary. I don't know, ovary is around, it should be. Ovary also in there. So when the original pulse pulsing, and it activates the first thing, kidney pulse, together with the testicle and ovary pulse. So when it's pulsing, boom, boom. Now, when it's pulsing, the original pulse, now it activates the kidney pulsing, because the kidney right there. And their testicle and ovary right there, so they're pulsing. So now when you get the pulse, if you relax enough, you feel the pulse on the navel, the kidney pulse, and the testicle and the ovary pulsing. That is the original pulse that you have before you're born. Your feet touch the earth, extend down to the Southern Cross. One up, one down. I roll up and look at the North Star. And look at the North Star. And the Big Dipper. And when you feel it, when you hook up with it, it pulls you. Trust and believe. Why? Because if you believe the earth being pulled by the North Star, will we live on the earth will pulled by the North Star or not? Yes? If the earth being pulled by the North Star, are we living in the earth will pulled by the North Star or not? Trust it, believe it. Now your chin slightly down and the back part high. The back part high. And you scan it and relax, rocking it. Your tail rocking it. And you feel something are pulling you up from the back. Something are pulling you up from the back. So when I relax toward the star, boom, it pull me. Sometimes it just jerk me, and very strong. Sometimes it's like you are levitate up. That's all. You pull, it pull you. You are so relaxed toward the North Star. Relax toward. You must get this. I give you the most simple and powerful way. Relax toward, relax towards, relax and relax. You keep on relax toward the North Star. That's all. Relax and you smile toward, relax and you smile toward the boom, and it pull you. That's it. And you hook up. If you don't live, some people don't feel the pull, and don't feel the jerk, it's okay. Sometimes it pull you like this. It just pull you, and you feel you go up. Feel very strong on the top of your head. Hit it. Feel very strong on the top of your head. The back here. Now, when you rest, you feel it pull you. That's how you just feel it connect already. Feel you pull. Smile toward the North Star. Feel you're connecting with the North Star. Now raise your hand up. Draw the North Star. Just descend the North Star down. This is what the Tao Master they always talk about. So it seems like very powerful. But actually the North Star right above you. Bring it down, down toward your crown. When it's so close to you, you feel it pulsing and breathing. It pulses. So you feel it pulsing on your head. You feel it pulsing on your head. Above your head, very close to you, above your head, pulsing. Pulsing and breathing, pulsing and breathing. And now this pulse go right into your crown. And feel inside your crown are pulsing. At the same time, you feel, make your hand down, you feel a pulse in front of you. And it started to affecting your original pulse behind the navel, pulse. So you feel a chi ball inside you are pulsing. And you activate the kidney pulse. You activate the kidney pulse. And it started to activate your ovary and testicle. They come together. One pulse is power them all. And they activate the perineum pulse. Pulsing and breathing. And your palm started to pulse. And you feel a pulse under the earth are pulsing, the earth pulsing. Your sole of your feet, the bubble spring, Yongquan, are pulsing. The pulsing and breathing. Pulsing and breathing. Pulsing and breathing. Pulsing and breathing. So just feel the pulse. Smile. Very important part is smile. Feel pulse. Sit back very relaxed and feel pulsing. Your palm up. Crown, center of the brain are pulsing. Abdominal, kidney, perineum, testicle and ovary pulsing. Your palm and sole are pulsing. And because it's so relaxed, and you pick up the pulse around you. Trust and believe the pulse of the North Star is everywhere. I tell you, you need, anytime you want more energy, you just activate and connecting with the pulse. And the pulse will enlarge more and more pulses in your body, activate. You have to feel the pulse outside affecting the pulse inside, and you have it. Let's come back up. Rub the hand warm. Rub the navel. Collect the energy.